Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to use AutoFilter in MS Excel. So let's get started. First thing first, create a table. Make sure that your data have column headings to specify the data below it. The heading is where the filter will be placed and will not be included in the data that is sorted. Each column can have a unique dataset and contain as many entries as you wish to sort through. After that, select all the data you wish to filter. Click and drag to select all of the cells you wish to be included in the filter. Since auto-filter is, as the name implies, an automatic process, you cannot use it to filter non-contiguous column. Then activate auto-filter. Now select filter criteria. Filter options can vary based upon the type of data within the cells. Text cells will filter by the textual content, while number cells will have mathematic filters. You can sort ascending or sort as descending or top 10 specific conditions. Also note the filter data is hidden from view, not deleted. You will not lose any data for filtering as well. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.